Sinigang na bangus.
It's a sinigang.
Yeah. Dana also eating sinigang bangus. Kain, guys.
I cannot see.
Later. Ate Ellen after, okay? Ang agaw ng camera. Gusto din mag-vlogger. Vlogger. Kain, guys. Kain tayo ng malaking ulo ng bangus. Sarap. Sarap, asim. Sarap ng gulay. Sa sinigang. Lahat umasim. Wow, ubos.
Ellen, your mom is sad
Yeah, why?
because you don't eat.
I'm eat na, oh.
Ellen, your mom is sad because you don't eat.
How about your mom?
Not
Why? Because you eat na.
sad.
Ang daming tingin ng bangus. Kaya pag kumain ng bangus talaga. Kapon, ito din yung ulam. Pang isang linggong ulam ang sinigang na bangus. Dana's favorite. Ubus na. You want rice pa? I get rice? Ha? I get rice?
After then, I'm the winner of the lasa.
I get rice pa? Ha? You want rice pa ba? Ha?
Yes. We didn't order those.
Padagdag pa. Dana is a loser.
No.
Ate Ellen is a loser. Ate Ellen do not eat rice.
What is not?
Wait, do not play. The food is not a toy.
Oh, that's mine.
Doorbell is ringing. The doorbell is ringing because have a parcel. Dana's parcel. Do you have a parcel? Oh, you plain. Hala. You said you don't want to eat pa. Why did you play the anla? Ang pulis ay pulis. Takot siya sa
I
pulis.
don't like to eat now.
You said you want pa. Dana is loser, guys. Ellen is a winner. Oh no. Sarap ng ulo, oh.
Sarap ng ulo chicken.
Fish.
Sarap ng ulo si fish.
There's so many bone.
Okay, the bone's okay.
So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Abubo na ang ulo sa bangos.